Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education past question 50. Disease transmission through food may occur by the following means except A. Sharing of utensils, B. Perching by flies, C. Infected meats, D. Contaminated water, and E. Contaminated fingers. Now, disease transmission through food actually occur by either disease vectors or by what opening our foods. Now, by disease vector, you can know that house flies are vectors of diseases, so it can what be transmitted through perching by flies when the food is left open, by infected meats. Now, this infected is means simply means when you buy a meat that has been infected and this meat is not properly cooked, disease can be transmitted through this. Now, contaminated water also is a means of transmitting disease, and also contaminated fingers, since we eat most of our meals with our fingers or our bare hands. Dirty fingers or contaminated fingers can also transmit what food disease. Now, sharing of utensils is not actually a way of transmitting disease through food, because when utensils have been shared, it's ensure that what they are being sterilized by washing them properly with soap and water before they are used. So this is not a means of what transmitting disease, and so therefore we can say what this is the answer to this question, because the question is asking us for what that is not a means of transmission of disease through food. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.